Happy 2023! HHHunt Communities is excited to bring you the first drone update of the year. The biggest news: new sections of low-maintenance townhomes, single-family homes, and custom homes are now open and selling. If you're new to the River Mill experience, let us catch you up. Mill Square Park is open and offers homeowners a hammock garden, outdoor kitchen, and pavilion. We can't wait for you to check out the Connexion. This amenity offers a clubhouse, outdoor areas, a pool, and a nature-themed playground. All overlooking the Chickahominy River. We know we gave you a lot of information quickly, so we invite you to learn more at rivermillnewhomes.com.